Hi all, welcome to new video for a technical series. In this video, we will see how we can configure the action for the detail view that we created earlier. So this is our detail view. Now I'm going to my VS Code. So when you check the Horilla detail view, you can see the actions. So in this video, we'll cover the actions. We'll see the action method in the next video, upcoming video. It's all similar to the previous method that we created inside the list and cards. So let's check how actually it's look like inside the Horilla detail view inside. So inside the Horilla theme, I'm going to the template, then search for actions. So it's the action or action method. This is the section where the action were list out. So here you can see it will take uh, list of dictionary items. Then the first item I'm going to provide like yeah, first key will be the action. Then here I can provide the action like edit label, the edit label. Then the ATTS. For now I'm just providing simple alert. After that we will map it with the edit option for the shift request view. It will take raw HTML attribute. So I'm going to write an on click function and return symbol alert when providing the uh, some input over there. Edit action triggered. Then it will take the icon. If you have any icon, you can provide the icon. For now, let's provide an icon from the name from. Sorry, it will only take icon from the ionic icons. So let's check ionic icons. Ionic icons. Okay, let's grab some edit related icon. Okay, for now let's use this one. Accept all cookies. Okay, create outline. So we simply need the name to show the edit icon. What was it? Create outline. Create outline. Okay, then it will take accessibility. Let's search for accessibility. Actions. No, it will not take accessibility. So you simply have to check the accessibility from the child class inside init or any additional method. Okay, you will get the requested user uh, from the request. Then you have to process the person have the access to access the action or not. So let's see how it actually look like now. Let me just restart my server. Then yeah, let's wait. Okay, then when I go to here and refresh and I click, you can see our edit action is now visible. So you can style the edit button from the ATTS over here. You can provide your custom style over there. Okay, when I click on the edit, you can see the edit action is triggered. So let's change the action to open the edit form instead of the alert. To do that, search for edit. Somewhere we configure the edit form. Yeah, let's check the URLs for the edit. The request update, custom shift request update. So let's use the URL. Instead of the on click, we have to provide the access get No, we cannot provide like that. We have to global search it. Okay, so we have to return this URL from the instance. Yeah, we will get the instance from, let's check inside the, no, let's do it from the context method. Def get context data. I'm going to store the context into a variable called context. Going to return the context, then simply going to uh, use that variable over here. Then I need to add it inside the self. So self dot action is equal to like this. Then the hs get will be okay, we can fetch the details from the model using for the ATTS. You can see is here format is used. So uh, if you use curly braces, it will fetch the uh, details from the model. Like if you provide PK, the PK will fetch from the model. So instead of this, we will get object inside the context. So I'm going to use f string. Then instead of curly braces, reverse lazy. Then the URL name. Then the coax will be PK. The PK will be context of object dot pk. I also can do it like this. Okay. The other method is you can monkey patch or add a function into the model inside the shift request model or monkey patch. Then you have to simply instead of using the f string, you simply have to provide the function name inside a curly braces. Then let's add this self root actions into the context. Context of actions is equal to self dot actions. Okay, also one thing to yeah, we miss something, like here is quotations required. Then hx target will be hash generic modal body. Then data target will be generic modal. Then one more thing, data toggle will be oh modal toggle. These are the information to make the modal visible. Then okay, let's start again. Okay, restarted. Now let's refresh. Open the detail view. We got some errors. Objects. It's not objects, it's object. Okay, it's object. Service reloading. Okay, refresh. Click on the record. Okay, we got also another. So this one. Okay, we got some URL errors. Okay, let's check the name what we provided. Okay, the name is custom shift update. Now click on the edit. Okay, here you can see now the edit model is so edit form is visible inside the model. So that's how you configure actions for the Horilla detail view. In the next video, we will see how we can do the actions method for the detail view. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.